Hey guys, Braydon here, and I just wanted to show you something. Yeah, it was a lot rainy, and you will not believe how flooded the park is right now. It is really flooded, and I walked into it earlier, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. You won't believe your eyes after this, but I'm gonna show you this, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes. This is the park. Yeah, it's really deep. You see? That's not all the slide. This is where I stood. And this is just a little pond. That's sweet. I like that. And whoa. This stuff is really deep. As you can see here. Yeah, it's really deep. And I can walk around with it with these boots on. They're freaking waterproof. Yeah. Oh, and look how flooded this whole park is. It is insane. There's some water over there. Yeah, it's flooded, like, as you can see. Yeah, I'm definitely posting this on YouTube, even though, as you guys can see, I already did. And whoa, I just stepped right here and it was really deep. Oh God. Stick my foot in there. And oh my God, look at this. There's worms everywhere in this section over here. You might want to see this, or not. Just tiptoe so there's not too much dust. Oh, it doesn't matter. Get out of here. Yeah, this here. I don't really want to get my iPad wet, so I can't put it underwater. Although I may want. I don't really want to try. Yeah, guys. This park is flooded, and yeah, guys, this is epic. I came from there to all the way over here, and I'm surprised my house ain't flooded. Big spots. I was like, oh God, I almost sank. Yeah. And guys, when I throw this there, this will be a little mess. And I'm sure it sinks, right? It'll sink? Yeah, it'll sink. You guys, prepare to be amazed. Look at that. It's not floating. After you see this, see, it's gone. Look how deep it is. Yeah. If you guys want to come over here, see, that's what I'm talking about worms. That's a big ass. That's a big butt worm. I almost said the A word. And Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, okay? I did not mean to say that. Oh my God. So there you go, guys. I'm actually going to start a new series, Braydon's Adventures. Yeah, it's a series I'm going to start. And guys, if I don't upload it at the right time, I'm sorry. It's just I don't have the time to, okay? Anyways, I'll see you around.